Hello, this is Dr. Nony, board certified internal medicine physician. Sleep apnea doesn't always sound like snoring. I had a 34-year-old patient, thin, vegan, run daily, terrified that he had dementia. No snoring, but he had a recessed jaw and chronic nasal congestion. Sleep study, moderate sleep apnea. He was silently choking in his sleep. 3 weeks on CPAP, he came back and said, "Doc, I feel like I have my brain back." Don't assume silence means safety. Subscribe and let's talk truth. Dr. Nony's Power Lab, where medicine meets real life. Thank you and have a great day.